All right, hey guys, John here today with Nick. What we're gonna do is break down the actual swing mechanics from something that is a very endurance oriented, so a non-hard style, I like to say kind of a half-ass swing, to a true hard style swing that's gonna be much more power oriented with a nice crisp lockout. And then we're gonna go into kind of two different layers where Nick's gonna accelerate the bell to himself, something that he would do for much lower reps, something in like the 10 rep range. So we can think about this like he's doing a long distance, like he's running a mile, to like he's sprinting, to like he's just, his life depends on it. He's putting all the maximal power that he can into it. So think about it kind of on this continuum of more conserving energy to producing all the energy he can into this. So I'm gonna just take a minute to illustrate this. So we'll have Nick do this little example here. So we're gonna start with, again, that half-ass kind of swing, that real loose oriented swing, to something that's hard style, crisp, with his breath, really accelerating that. And then we're gonna have him do this accelerated eccentric as he's coming down. So he's accelerating the way down. And then I'm gonna actually come in and spike the swing on this last part. So this is 4 different parts of the swing. So I'll break this down as he goes. He's gonna do 3 or 4 with each section. And we're actually gonna have him using the push band here. So he's hooked up to the monitor here, and he can see, so he gets real-time feedback here as well. All right, so here we go. So we're starting with that half-ass swing where he's just barely moving here, just getting the work done. A few reps, and we can measure that in real time. And now he's gonna use a hard style swing with nice power production, breath, really locking out, crisp, tall position. And then he's gonna come in now and try to accelerate the bell even faster down, really coming down fast, quick. I can cue him here too as well. I'm gonna come in for this last part and I'm gonna spike him down, okay? Here we go. There we go. So again, this is a very advanced way of doing things, especially the last 2 stages. You see he was able to produce more power on the monitor here, so that really gave us a nice little continuum of how this works. So you wouldn't use all these in one training session, but at least understanding this, and for the purpose of this article and using the push band, this is what we want to see is the last 2 options, especially that eccentric or speed, and then with Nick actually doing spike swings. We want to produce as much power as possible. So there you have it, a little continuum of the breakdown of the kettlebell swing.